Hey, this is Colton with Central Alps out of Arlington. We're the premier off-road custom shop in the DFW area, if you didn't know us already. Today, we built this 2022 Ram TRX. Yes, that's correct. It's the T-Rex of trucks. Let's take a look at exactly what we did. So we didn't touch the wheels or tires. What we did is we put a 3-inch Wicked off-road kit. You're probably wondering, can you put a lift kit on a TRX? Yes. Some specific companies make them. If you're looking to keep the ride quality of the already really good suspension that the TRX has, what you can basically do is you can install a 3-inch spacer kit. Wicked Off-Road offers one. We went with the powder-coated red finish. This is an Illusion Cherry Red with a chrome emblem. It looks like how the truck should come from the factory, big and lifted. If you want your TRX or any other truck to come look like this, you can reach out to one of our design consultants today and reach us at 833-268-2577, and one of us will be right with you. Also, if you have any questions on if you were installing this kit, maybe on your own TRX from your home driveway, you can watch our tips and tricks where I walk through the little tips and tricks that I would want you guys to know if you were installing this from home. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out.